Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you around Peru. Enjoy!
Peru is located next to Ecuador, Brazil, Chile and Bolivia. The population is about 34 million people and the official languages are Spanish, Quechua and Aymara. The currency is Peruvian sol. 1 euro is around 4 sol.
So we made it. We are in Lima, Peru.
Lima is the capital city of Peru and is also the second largest city in whole Southern America, behind Sao Paulo. What I noticed on my travels is that the difference between rich and poor is very extreme in Southern America. In Southern America, it is common to order through the bars of mini stores at night. Our next destination was the city Cusco. Cusco was once the capital of the Inca Empire. On the next day, we decided to take a trip to the rainbow mountain Vinicunca. We got picked up in the morning at 4:30, we drove to breakfast first and then to the mountain.
So you have like three options to get on the top. First option, you're gonna walk like me. Second option, you're gonna take some horses. And the third option is to take a motorbike. So here's the top. I'm with my friend from Argentina. Because Igor took the bicycle. Right now it's getting more heavy, I would say, or yeah. So, but still okay.
Vinicunca is located on 5030 meters above the sea level, and to avoid mountain sickness you can take some pills or you can drink some coca tea or a special mix from my tour guide.
So, we're on the way back to the camp. I'm here with my friend Flash.
No, acá lo pudimos lograr la subida. Fue cansador, pero se pudo. Acá dándole.
So, Flash and Usain Bolt are running down the mountain. So, perfect timing. We arrived in the camp and it started to snow or rain. I would say snow, it's a mix. And yeah, so what a nice adventure. And look who is here! Look who is here!
And as I said before, what a nice adventure. All over we paid 25 euros for the whole day. On the next day we met a guy who recommended us his private tour for 25 euros. This tour should include Inca ruins, riding on a horse, a cave and visiting an alpaca farm.
the color orange, I will use the cochinero plus lemon. This color. For the color red, I will use this stone alumbre. Yes. ¿Sí? Es el color.
What I can say about Cusco, it is nice to see for 2 or 3 days, but you will face a lot of tourists there. And we are also at the end of my video. I hope I could show you Peru a little bit. If you like it, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice rest of your day. Ciao ciao.